Guys, tomato on to spare. Now this is about 300 pounds of tomato, and as you can see over there, there's a lot of tomato still in the ground. My god, this price thing is giving me a beating because I'm not getting amount of buyers that I want, because I can't afford to bend and pick tomato for $5. So I'm not selling any town buyers, because town buyers are buying at $5 and $8, and I can't afford to bend down and pick tomato for that money unless they're gonna come and pick it themselves, and I guess they're not gonna do that. So as I got a big order for 300 pounds, so never mind the sweet water bottle. I get a buyer for these, so I picked these. So look at them, very big, looking very nice and juicy. Only wish the price was a bit higher, and you know, so, I'll be making some profit. Right now I'm just trying to make back my money that I spent on the spray. So I mean, I have it already, might as well pick it. So that I go on, people, and see up there. So broccoli still go on struggle through the drought and all these things. Hi guys, what's going on, and welcome to another video. Now what I'm doing is going through the broccoli ground right now, and I'm picking out the heads that are rolling because it's the drought. I'm in the middle of the drought and I can't get any rain, so I'm picking out the head that is rolling and watering them. So that's all I'm doing right now, because I can't manage to water the entire ground. I don't have enough water. So in the drought period, if you don't have enough water, what you want to do, you want to go ahead and water the broccoli that is rolling, so you can get those to cut out and it make the ground a bit slimmer, so you can because each week you cut, I mean, you don't have that one to water, so you can go ahead again and water the one that's all rolling. So that's what I'm doing right now. As you can see, I have a pan here with some 2020 leaf fertilizer water. So I'm using a 3/4 bottle of water. I'm using to water the plant that are rolling, or they have a little bit of head in there, and you want to make sure you get it right at the root. So you go in right at the root and you pour the water on it, and that will help the head to come healthy and big. Like right here, you can see this head is a bit bigger, so you want to go ahead and you want to water it with some water. Make sure the water doesn't touch the head of the broccoli. So guys, they're coming along. I mean, they're fighting the weather so bad, this drought. I mean, they're fighting the drought so bad, and you can see the leaf them kind of quilting away and drying away. Trust me guys, I need some rain right now. Not too much rain, because you know what happened to me the last time with too much rain. Pray for rain, you get the rain, and then the rain end up to be too much. End up as a storm. So I need a little bit of rain. Trust me, if it's even like a few hours or even half hour of a good rain, that would help me.